In order to obtain the goals that we have indicated before, in this first meeting we try to focus on the problems that prevent organizations, either public or private, to pursue these objectives through a structured process. First of all, we found a problem with information, data and information gathering. Either there is a problem in gathering information itself, or the data are gathered, but it's impossible or very difficult to extract knowledge from the data and information. So one basic issue that must be resolved, and to enable all the participants to better gather data, to interpret them, to put them together, and to be able to extract knowledge, usable knowledge from the data, in order to take supported decisions and to support the decision-making process. What are the major obstacles against this process and this path? We found many. One of them is bureaucracy. Bureaucracy is very pervasive in all the steps of the process and is very diverse on the different sides of the border. For example, procedures in Austria are quite different from procedures in Italy for urban planning, for energy, waste, treatment, and many other issues. Another major problem is certainly funding, and under this respect, a better gathering of information and a better extraction of usable knowledge from the data is very important to submit reasonable and financially sustainable projects to the funding modes, for example, the European communities. Another very important problem is that the public administrations do not often have an idea of what they should do. So a good idea could be to promote in a partnership between public and private organizations a list of specific actions that can be undertaken. On the other hand, it is important that the strategic point of view get not lost in this process, because too often a government and smart cities initiatives are too tactical, meaning that they are short-termed, only in a short deal of time, and do not look at the future. That is very particularly important when we talk about this is very important when we talk become obsolete very quickly.